Hey guys, Justin from Double J's Box Breaks back again tonight. We got a 2015-16 Artifacts box, number 105. So let's get right into it. Last auction ended on February 4th at 10:35 Eastern Standard Time p.m. And it was, of course, the Winnipeg Jets. Current time is 1:03 a.m. It's a little late. Still waiting for a few payments, so I'm not sure if we'll get it out tonight, but hopefully by the time I'm done with this, they'll pay up. So here we go. Serial number NE241114783. We're looking for 4783. So here we go. 4783, 241114783. And of course it is a sealed box of Artifacts. So good luck, everybody. Thanks for participating tonight, and I wish everyone good luck. Four and 4 packs. So here we go. First pack, we have a base, and we have a decoy, and we have, oh look at that, for the Blackhawks we have a rookie Artifacts, Ruby, 81 of 399, Ryan Hartman. There we go. So Blackhawks on the board first. We have a base and a base. Next pack. We have a base, and we have a decoy, and let's see. Ooh, a wild card rookie redemption, so we'll have to figure out what that is. Let's see what number it is. It is 219. So let's see. 219 is for Pittsburgh, Matt Murray. So Wild Redemptions is going to Pittsburgh. So there you go. Wild Rookie Redemptions. Pittsburgh. And a base and a base. Base, base, and a decoy, and a ruby red Artifacts out of 399, number 32 for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Kings on the board, and a base. These just don't look together. We have a base and decoy, and for the Colorado Avalanche, we have Semyon Varlamov, a dual jersey. It's numbered 56 of 125. Pretty nice jersey for Varlamov, and a base. base, a decoy, and then for the Vancouver Canucks, we have a Ruby Red 386 of 399, Daniel Sedin. And a base, and a base. And a base. And we have a decoy. And it's pretty nice. We have a Jonathan Drouin Year 1 rookie sweaters for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Pretty nice set there. There we go. And it is not numbered, I don't think. Nope. But nonetheless, very nice set. Tampa Bay, and we have a base. And a base. And a base. And a decoy. And, oh, nice. 1 of 25, John Carlson for the Caps. Very nice. Come on. Here we go. 1 of 25. Nice hit for the Caps there. And a base. And last pack, guys. Just a reminder, we do have more artifacts. We have Sunday and Tuesday artifacts, and then we have the big 4-pack of blaster boxes for Saturday. That should be a lot of fun. So look it up on eBay. Then we also have a couple more blasters for next week. And we are working on getting a few other boxes in, maybe some Black Diamond. So look out for that coming in the near future. And good luck, everybody. Thanks for participating tonight. And let's go for the last pack here. We have a base. We have a base. And, oh, nice. 37 out of 75, Emerald Jersey Patch for the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. So you got 3 colors there in that patch. That's pretty nice. There we go. 3 colors. There's a red, a black, and a red, a blue, and a white there. Just off the color. So it's a pretty nice card there. And last one is a base. So thanks again, everybody, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks.